Nito nga pala kami maglinis ng isda dito sa India. So, here is it. This is how they clean the fish here. So, bali nandito kami sa labas ngayon. Kasi malangsa daw to. What's the name of this fish?
Bral.
Huh?
Bral.
What?
Bral.
Dral in English? You don't know. Where you gonna get this fish?
Sundapon.
Is it masarap? I never tried this fish. So slimy, diba? This fish. Yan. Di ko alam what's the name of this fish. Ayan, ganyan pala. Pag naglinis sila, linis na linis talaga. No scales, no buntot, diba? Tapos, habang nag-ano siya, naglilinis, meron namang mga ano dito, crow.
Take that water here.
So, maybe later you're gonna ask kung bakit dito nilinis. It's because, why here? Kasi yung bato na to is panglinis talaga siya ng isda. Like, ikukuskus mo. Kailangan mo daw ikuskus yan. Para matanggal yung mga dapat tanggalin. So, kaya, mamaya tatanungin nyo bakit dyan kinat. So, yun. Linis na linis talaga yan. Yung iba pala is tinatanggal nila ng balat. Diba? Some people, they will remove the skin of the fish.
But the protein is in that skin.
Who says?
It's like that.
Tapos, ayan, nilagyan din ng ashes.
Otherwise, this fish is sleepy.
Yeah, ganyan. Kinuskus. Oh my gosh. Tanggal na libag niyan. Alala. Grabe naman sa paglilinis yan. Maybe later we will eat that ash. Linis na. Diba? Masarap ba yan? Oh, diba? Kung sa atin, inaanohan ng bato. Ano ba yun? Yung lofa. Ayan, ganyan din. Oh, ayan. Let me see. That's the itlog. Itlog? Itlog mo? Oh.
There is egg.
Same like you.
Last time Mama cooked there was egg.
I don't know. I didn't see. So, that's all inside. Galing. Your nails is also dirty now. So, ayan. Masarap daw yung itlog. Tama ba? Ha? Itlog mo masarap. So, ayan. Ayan na yung itlog. Dalawa? Dalawang itlog?
Yeah.
How many itlog you have? Ay, nako. Ayan, may nakaantay na nakro dito. Nag-aantay ng pagkain nila. So, siya yung naglinis niyan. Kasi sabi niya, hindi daw ako marunong maglinis. Baka madumi pa daw yung linis ko. Kaya, ayan, dito na din. Give it to them.